In today's episode of Glenn's Car Collection, I adjust a camera, I smack a camera, and I once again struggle with an automatic transmission.
So much trouble. I just can't do... All right, let's start.
Hey guys, it's Glenn from Glenn'sCarCollection.com, and today we are driving the BMW i8 Roadster. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh, I got the windshield wipers. So there, you can't see that. I hit the wipers accidentally, now I can't shut them off. There's two wipers. Come on, shut off the wipers. They're actually going in opposite directions here. How do you shut off the wipers? There we go. All right. So I drove the Coupe way back when at a BMW test event. I don't have a YouTube video of it, but I liked it. I thought it was fun. A lot of people thought it wasn't enough a sports car, didn't sound good enough, but I actually enjoyed driving it. What actually surprised me the most was the handling. It is fast. It is powerful. And it is very expensive. All right, so it's a beautiful day. The sun is finally out and it's about 50 degrees. And let's have some fun. Wow. Whoa. This car actually sounds pretty good. I don't care if the sound is fake, but it actually sounds pretty good. It's a lot of wind noise here, not the best for YouTube for sure, but we got a nice heads-up display here that shows me my speed plus the speed limit of the road that I'm on, just like you would have on your dash here. The gauges are digital. We're driving in sport mode. There's no reason not to drive in sport mode in this car. Comfort, I mean, come on. All right, so a couple things about this car. 155 mile an hour top speed because it's the Roadster. 189 inches long, you don't care about all that. 3,600 pounds, base price $164,000. We got the electric motor and a 12 valve, 1.5 liter, 3-cylinder combustion engine, gives us 369 horsepower, 420 foot-pounds of torque. That's good from a 0 to 60 time of 4.2 seconds, but what we really have here, which is great, makes it handle so well, is 50-50 weight distribution. Now there's no back seat like the Coupe, and you know what? Who cares? Let's just drive. Oops, I just knocked the camera. All right, let's do this. So I like the sound, whether it's fake or real. Whoa. I think it feels, let's roll up the windows here. Feels faster than it is because it's a convertible and we're kind of out in the open. The ride's very good. I like the thick steering wheel here. It's like a BMW M car, and this car is a looker. If you have the Coupe, sell it immediately because the convertible looks 1,000 times better. Somebody turned up my thermostat to 80 degrees here, and I don't know why they did that, but it is a blast to drive this car for sure. Now it's not an M3 or an M4 or an M4 convertible. I would say this is kind of like a fast luxury car, but it's comfortable, it's quick, you can get great gas mileage, and the most important thing is it's fun to drive. BMW had really aggressive leases on the i8 because they didn't sell that well when they came in. It's a very unique looking car, but of course it's at a higher price. It's at a higher price. So if you wanted to spend this kind of money, yeah, you could get a used McLaren 570S. But you know what? This is something different. The Roadster, I think, really has reinvigorated the BMW i8, and I think if you buy one, you'll love it, but definitely go for the Roadster. Now the heads-up display looks really good here in sport mode. I really got a big tachometer. It's not going to come out with the camera. I already tried. We have my speed all the way to the right, my actual speed. All the way to the left is actually the actual speed limit. In the middle, with the big number, is the gear that I'm in. This is a 6-speed, and it actually shifts quick, like a dual clutch transmission. Now, there's no manual available, unfortunately. Check if the GoPro's still there. But if you're looking for a fun convertible that's different, this could just be your car. Now, could you use some more sound? Yeah, the sound is very good, but when you're going this quickly, I'll slow down here. When you're going quickly, the wind noise dominates. So once you get over like 70 miles an hour, all you're hearing is just a ton of wind. So it's drowning out any sound that you're hearing. Obviously, at slower speed, there's a lot more engine sound. Whether it's real or not, but it actually sounds pretty good. The heads-up display is great. I think this is one of the best heads-up displays I've seen. It's so clear and crisp. Let's see at the handling. So we have 50-50 weight distribution, a sharp turn here, and wow, the acceleration is fast. It feels much faster than that 0 to 60 time. We're going over some crests and bumps here, as you can see, and this car, it handles like a regular BMW, which is to say very good. Wow. Wow, the heads-up display does so well with the tachometer. All right, guys, that is our quick review of the BMW i8 Roadster. I'm going to drive it now for a little while and enjoy it. It's hard to talk and drive at the same time. Thanks again for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time at Glenn's Car Collection. Take care.
All right, let me try to get this in drive. I don't know. Why do I have so much trouble? I just can't do, there we go. There we go. There we go. We're getting close. We're neutral. We're neutral. We're neutral. Oh, Jesus.